Welcome to Pearl English Medium School Vijayapur, creating the leaders.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا
अलीना हुनकुंटी को जिसने कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज में 5 और स्पोर्ट्स में 8 प्राइजेस हासिल किए हैं. टोटल अगेन शी हैज बैग 13 प्राइजेस, आउट ऑफ विच she has secured first prize in rhyme competition, curling competition, Kannada competition and ball collecting competition. Give a round of applause for Alina Hunkunti. The next student is Amaira Talikot. She has bagged 5 prizes in cultural activities and 6 prizes in sports activities. Total 11 prizes she has secured. The next student is Anaiza Darga. Amaira has come now. She is going to receive 11 prizes. इससे पहले अनाइजा दरगाह थे जिन्होंने 5 prizes in cultural, 7 prizes in sports, total 12 prizes she has got. Round of applause for Amaira Talikot. The next student is Anshara Pirzadeh. She has bagged 1 prize in cultural activity and 5 prizes in sports. Total 6 prizes she bagged. In Kannada, she has received first prize. Round of applause for Anshara Pirzadeh. The next student is Asiya Asangi. She has bagged 5 prizes in cultural activities, 8 prizes in sports. Total 13 prizes she is going to get today. Give a round of applause for Asiya Asangi. She has topped in spell bee competition, coloring competition, rhymes competition and Kannada competition. The next student is Arisha Risaldar. She has got 5 prizes in cultural activities, 4 in sports, total 9 prizes, out of which Kannada, lemon in spoon race, ball passing over the head, throwing balls in bucket, arranging shape in rope. In all these competitions, she has bagged first prize. So give a round of applause for Arisha Risaldar. The next student is Mariam Manyar. She has received 3 prizes in cultural activities, 4 prizes in sports. Total she has received 7 prizes, out of which ball passing over the head in Allah's name competition, she has secured first prize. Give a round of applause for Mariam Manyar. The next student is Musfira Mullah. Musfira Mullah, she has got 3 prizes in cultural activities, and actually she was absent for the sports, but if she would have been in the sports, she definitely has bagged the awards. Anyhow, she is going to get 3 prizes this year. In rhyme competition and Kannada competition, she got first prize. The next student is Tamanna Punekar. Tamanna Punekar has received 3 prizes in cultural activities, 6 prizes in sports, total 9 prizes, out of which in Kannada and Allah's name competition she received first prize. Give a round of applause for Tamanna Punekar. Aliza Arab. Aliza Arab has secured 3 prizes in cultural activities, 4 prizes in sports, total 7 prizes, out of which book balancing, running race and rhyme competition she has bagged first prize. So round of applause for Aliza Arab. The next student is Zara Sagar. She has got 2 prizes in cultural activity, 5 prizes in sports, total 7 prizes she has got, and she has bagged first prize in Kannada competition and Allah's name competition. So round of applause for Zara Sagar. इसके बाद Zaira Lahori, she has secured 3 prizes in cultural activities, 8 in sports, total 11 prizes. So I congratulate Zaira Lahori और आपकी तरफ से जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए Zaira Lahori के लिए. The next student is Zohra Mujawar. She has bagged 5 prizes in cultural activity, 5 prizes in sports, total 10 prizes she has received. Big round of applause for Zohra Mujawar. छोटी सी बच्ची, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए जोहरा के लिए. उनकी हाइट से बड़ा उनका अवार्ड है. The next student is Saida Zainab Inamdar. She is going to receive 5 prizes in cultural activities, 9 in sports. Total 14 prizes she has bagged. Give a round of applause for Saida Zainab Inamdar. The next student is Khatija Patel. She is going to receive 3 prizes in cultural activities, 5 prizes in sports. Total 8 prizes Khatija has received. Please give a big round of applause to Khatija Patel. In Allah's name and ball collecting, Allah's name competition, ball collecting and musical chair, she has bagged first prize. The next student is Aisha Mullah. She is going to receive 7 prizes in cultural activity, 4 in sports. Total 11 prizes she is going to bag this year. Give a round of applause to Aisha Mullah. The next student is Asiya Bagli. She is going to get 1 prize in cultural activity, 5 in sports, total 6 prizes, out of which in ball collecting she is going to get first prize. Give a round of applause to Asiya Bagli. The next student is Amina Mullah. She is going to get 2 prizes in cultural activities and 2 in sports. Total 4 prizes for Amina Mullah. She has topped in spell bee competition and coloring competition. Round of applause for Amina Mullah. मैं इरफान सर का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने बच्चों को एतज़ाज़ से नवाजा।